Imagine a Bayelsa where industries, homes and schools never go dark. Where power runs 24 hours a day. The Bayelsa Gas Turbine Project is making that vision a reality. The Bayelsa Gas Turbine Project is a major energy infrastructure initiative designed to generate constant electricity using natural gas, one of Nigeria's cleanest and most abundant resource. The project aims to supply 24-hour electricity to boost industrialization and attract new investments to the state. For decades, power shortage has been a major obstacle to economic growth in Bayelsa. But with this gas turbine project, industries can now operate efficiently. Both big businesses and SMEs can grow and job opportunities in abundance. The economy will boom, all powered by clean, reliable energy, and kudos to visionary leadership. The new Electricity Act was signed into law on June 9, 2023 by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. This legislation empowers states, companies and individuals to generate, transmit and distribute electricity. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's signing of the Electricity Act 2023 provided a comprehensive legal and institutional framework for the new decentralized power sector to become operational. This project is not just about electricity, it's about sustainability. By using natural gas instead of diesel or coal, Bayelsa is reducing carbon emissions and setting the pace for a greener, energy-secure future in the South-South. Constant power supply means more industries can thrive, from agro-processing to manufacturing and even tech startups. The Bayelsa Gas Turbine Project could turn the state into an industrial hub, fueling development and innovation across the region. For citizens, this means more and better infrastructure, improved economy, more jobs, and safer, well-lit communities. With reliable power, entrepreneurs can expand their businesses and investors can finally see Bayelsa as the land of opportunity that it truly is, the glory of all lands. The Bayelsa Gas Turbine Project is a symbol of hope, innovation and progress. With 24-hour power, Bayelsa is ready to lead Nigeria's industrial transformation, one turbine at a time. If you believe in Bayelsa's bright future, hit the like button, subscribe and share this video for more updates on sustainable innovations and green solutions across Nigeria and across Africa.